Nongbah ka ayom tlang kalawan biang ka Meghalayan sa sisen kan Pynlong Ïaka tamasa Winter Tales hakasin ka basaw hanan pelok. Ban kring bat ban plilat ya kibriu badon sab nadu hakashna jingshna katan jingtan kaput katem bat kumjoru hakijat jingbam baper ka banlong lais ngilinter nadu ka kasaw terik hadu ka katnriu terik jong uno pra araja arpulai. Ya ka jingtip ba ban Pynlong Biang Ïaka te tamasa la Pynlong ha ka dukan jong ka Meghalayan ka Nongbah Delhi balon ban shimenta lang daga kong amperin lendo menteri jong ka tnat karep karyang kum ka kongsan ha ka jingadon lang jong ka kong isawanda lalu secretary jong ka tnat agriculture and farmers welfare department bat kiwei kiri don brom. Ha bakren kum ka kongsan ka kong amperin ka lapan pau ka jing sau kumen ka bakraw ban beteng biang yakini ka tamasa Winter Tales ha ka jila ban peninam sya ka pertai halo ka jing ruspa ka kolsho tenrai kisap kipong jong ki kon samla ha ka liang kaput ka tem karwai ka siaw ka tanjing tan bat kumjo ru kijat jingbam baper. Kalaong ru ba ka jila Meghalaya kadai ka balakirku da ublay bat hakani ka jila ka barit la abanyo iya ka spa amaryang kibriu ki bayrab bat kamtam ki culture bat kiriti dustur balabu nadu men berim ki balong kirpang da ka bayero ru iya ka sorkar baminta ba ka lale ba banyarab ya shibon ki nong sengkam la jong ban yeng hala ki jong ki kijan. Kum ka menteri kalaong bakam don jing babe ba ka sorkar kan penlut hakum kini ki jingiram. Shusho ka lapan pau ru iya ka jing saukmen ka bakraw halo ka jing don jong ka dukan Meghalayan haka Nongbah Delhi ba langba ka tay ka dukan kibriu ka pertay kila banyo iya kisam bani jong ki ba ka jala nadu ka tan jing tan ki tiershna da ki kiti bat kiwei haka tay kasngi nakaliang jong ka kong amperin kalaplay ba ru iya ka almanak araja arpusaw bala ay kerteng Meghalayan scapes.
Which is a beautiful star which is handmade by Daisy Moment from
of textile with us, and it was a great evening where it almost his message after seeing the store and being here to the rest of the people was that we have set a big example. We have set a high benchmark for all the other state emporiums in this building. So that was a big moment for us, and it pushed us really to keep the momentum going from the very first day. So this space that you're sitting in right now was meant to be a gallery, a space to showcase talents such as music, book readings, film screenings, utilize the space to, for entrepreneurs and other artisans from Meghalaya to come here and really showcase their talent.
Matter of art, but also in the matter of the food that we eat, our environment, the consciousness with which our forefathers have encouraged, green environments, that has been inculcated in our lives, as it were, because the people of Meghalaya have by nature always been proud inheritors of a naturally saving environment, and it was only until very recent years that with the coming in of plastics and non-perishable items that our city was plagued with all of the deterrents in the environment, but that also is slowly changing. If you see the city of Shillong today and 10 years back, you will know that we are slowly regrouping and retreating to what our forefathers have actually taught us in our everyday lives. A Khasi kitchen is the cleanest kitchen you'll see in any part of the world, and our homestays are particularly very attractive because the organization of homes, as it were, are genuinely very spick and span and very well organized. The Khasis are not people who throw things around, who are disorganized. Their kitchens are very clean, despite the fact that most of our families at that time, and maybe few today, lived in poverty. So I'm so happy that both of you, through your company, are maintaining and carrying on the tradition of making sure that Meghalaya is showcased not just as a very beautiful location, but the people are beautiful, their habits are beautiful. That is what makes us extremely unique, even among tribal communities.